The frost is absolutely fantastic. It is a thick frost absolutely everywhere here. Welcome everybody to this in the field wildlife vlog. Oops, I just spooked them. They're all widgeon. And there goes a kingfisher. I don't know if you saw that because he's so tiny. Oh my word. Oh my goodness. Wow. I've no idea if you're getting this. Oh my God. I'm just shooting and shooting. This is absolutely insane. I have never seen anything like this with coots. And now I think there's like 3 pairs involved. This is incredible. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say to that. I've seen coots fighting, I've photographed it, but oh my word, I've never seen a pair of coots go at it for that long like that. That was insane. And then for the others to join in, oh my God, there's still one here now. So I really have no idea how successful I was with that. It was very, very exciting. But I felt like the camera was struggling. I had it on iFocus and I haven't done that much photography lately. I just felt a little bit out of practice. I was like pressing the wrong buttons for a bit. And yeah, iFocus, it looked like it was struggling at times. I kept shooting and then I put it on the single point focus and we're just trying to lock that, just aiming for the body. I mean, not worrying about the head because it's just so mental when something like that's happening. And just keeping my finger down. I had it on mechanical shutter, so I was firing away with that, and then I thought this is just so fast, the action, that I quickly changed it to electronic. So I put it on electronic shutter for the rest of the shots. Need a drink after that. I've just seen something moving as these reeds down here. No joy, don't even know what it was. Got some moorhens and coots out there. Oh, and a great crested grebe as well. There's a few ducks down here, so I'm going to sit down here just for a little bit, see if anything comes my way. Oh, damn it, I'm in the wrong place. Oh, and if you can see them, they're just beyond those trees, you can hear them, that's for sure. Oh no. There's quite a big flock of geese up in the field, so I'm going to go up there, see what we can do, but I'm going to be really careful because if they fly off before they're ready, then that's basically my fault, so I really don't want to disturb them. So what I'm going to do is to stay on the main path and get a bit closer, so I'm sort of parallel with them, and I'm actually going to have the sun right behind me as well, so I'm not close enough to get any really interesting pictures, but if they decide to take off, then I'm going to be in the perfect position with the sun behind me. Some geese are coming in. Oh, I just seen a kestrel hovering. Oh. Geese are still here. I've waited a little while, but I don't think they're going to take off or anything. I just had a kestrel here and it's come back to hover in exactly the same place. That was absolutely amazing. There was a few of us, we just watched this male kestrel hovering, and it was quite close to the path. It wasn't even that high up. Really, really good view, and it was there for quite some time, shooting towards the light, which was frustrating. We just got the camera on it and followed it. I got some video as well. It dropped down here, kind of just into this scrub on this bank, and it looked like it was struggling with something, and it caught a vole, and then it came up and it flew across the path to the other side. Chetty's warbler. Geese are still there. If you're into the technical stuff, then I've kind of changed my settings a bit. So earlier on, first thing I was doing aperture priority with auto ISO, just because it's a little less consistent first thing in the morning and you probably get more shadows around, so I prefer that setting. Now the sun's come up, it's got so much brighter, it's more consistent. I've switched to manual exposure. So I've still got auto exposure at the moment, but I've got it on manual. 1250th, that's not 1250th, 1250th of a second at f8, and the ISO is just floating around, and then a bit of exposure compensation if I think I'm photographing anything white, and that includes the geese usually, because they have very white bit under the tail which can blow out. So for geese I'll usually add just -1/3, maybe -2/3 exposure compensation. And today has been such a good reminder that it's not about the species, the subject, it rarely is with me. It's about getting out there in beautiful weather, somewhere you really enjoy, and I've had two amazing encounters with the coots and the kestrel. Now if you enjoyed this video, then please check out this video here, which is me doing a very similar thing in the field vlog. Thanks very much for watching, I'll see you next time.